国际新闻来关心美国和中国伫英国伦敦举办贸易谈判，双方即马已经有达成初步的协议。中国同意对美国企业开放6个月稀土的出口许可，以然美国讲嘛会开放予中国学生去美国读大学。
伫英国伦敦举行的美中经贸谈判结束，美国总统川普伫咧正式社群答文讲，甲中国的协议已经完成，中国将会优先供应全部主体，抑个任何必要的稀土。美国将会依照双方同意的事项，予中国学生读美国的大学甲学院。美国总共摕到55%的关税，中国是摕到10%，双边的关系正好。
双方原则上就落实两国元首6月5号通话共识以及日内瓦会谈共识达成了框架。我们希望这次伦敦会谈取得的进展，有利于中美之间进一步增进信任。
I think what happens is when you put President Xi and President Trump on the phone together, it changes the outcome. They were focused on trying to deliver on what President Xi told President Trump, and I think obviously Ambassador Greer, myself, and Secretary Bessent were completely focused on delivering what President Trump wanted from us.
Do you feel confident to make any agreement with China before the 12th of August?
Before the deadline?
Well, we know that they're motivated. Our president is motivated. The relationship is complex. There are challenges that can't be eliminated in a couple of months, of course, but there are things we potentially could do. So, I just think we feel positive about engaging with the Chinese.
双方将会登记向各自的国家领导人汇报这边会议的情形，抑个原则上达成的协议内容。不过上尾又原来经过这2个国家的领导人批准。公司新闻吴文玲编译。